Oh, come on. It's here. It's here. God. You are so lazy. All you did was sleep all day, Prow. And now you can't even be bothered to play with the ribbon. Or whatever the hell this is. Your pro-gay propaganda toy. Come on. Come and get it. Come and get it. Geisty. Oh, come here. You just wanted to pet you, huh? That's all you ever want. I need to get you some catnip and pep you up. Like my thrift shop horse lamp? Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Oh, come on now. Come on, Geist. Play with it. You are making this a very boring video. Alright. Fine. Video over, cat. You lazy creature.
Well, so apparently